Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about the Special Olympic Bharat, the Olympics, Paralympics and concept of inclusion. Right? These topics are the part of Unit 4, that is Physical Education and Sports for CWSN, children with special needs, or it is also called the Divyang. As you know that this Unit 4 covers all the aspects which are related to the people who are disabled, who have some disabilities, right? And it is also called the Divyang. The people who have some disabilities may be in the legs, in the hands, may be blind, may be short limbs, or may be mentally retarded. These are all called the disabilities. For those people who are disabled, they have also every right to participate in games and sports and physical activity. This unit tells us about how we prepare a specialized design program for the disabled people or Divyang. We already discussed in my last video about the adapted physical education, right? How we designed a program for adapted physical education for Divyang. We already discussed in my last video, right? Today we are going to discuss about the different sporting events or competition which are organized nationally or internationally for the disabled people or for the Divyang. Today, first we take a competition for deaf people. That is called first we take the Special Olympic Bharat for those people who have any type of disability, right? This Special Olympic Bharat was started in 2001. It was started in 2001 for those people who have some disabilities. These competitions were organized for them, by which they can participate in sporting event or sports competition like other general people. So this was started in 2001 and its aims to participate Divyang or disabled people in games and sports at state level. This competition is related to the state level competition and it is a national competition in India. That is why it is called a Special Olympic Bharat. This is not an international event, this is a national event or a state level event in which all the disabled people or Divyang participate in different games and sports, different events like football, hockey, badminton, basketball, volleyball, swimming. These are the events in which they participated in this Special Olympic Bharat. Its objective is to develop the leadership quality in Divyang or disabled people. The main aim or objective of this Special Olympic Bharat is to develop the leadership quality amongst the disabled people. And also through Special Olympic Bharat, we have to develop the confidence and self-esteem in them. We have to develop the self-confidence by which they can participate in games and sports freely with confidence. And also through this Special Olympic Bharat, we have to develop the self-esteem or self-image or self-positive image. If they have self-positive image or self-esteem, then they always think positive about their body and forget their disabilities. And also, through Special Olympic Bharat, the training will given to the good or elite sports person or talented sports person, talented disabled sports person for high level of international or national competition. Those disabled sports person who performed well in this Special Olympic Bharat, the organization choose those players who are very talented or elite. Then organization give training to them for high level of competition or for national level or international level of competitions. Right? So these are the games which really helpful for the Divyang to show their talent. And this is the duty of the society to encourage them to participate in games and sports like other general people. So this is all about the Special Olympic Bharat. After 2002, nearly 23,750 athletes were participated in national games, or Divyang athlete were participated in national games after 2002, 23,750. Now, come to the second games for disabilities, that is called Deaflympics. Deaflympics. As you know that deaf is also a disability in which people are unable to listen anything. These games are also called World Games for Deafs. It is also called World Games for Deafs. Those people who did not sound by guns or whistles, they are unable to sound by guns or whistles, unable to listen the sound. For them, these Deaflympics were organized for these people. In these games, only deaf, disabled people were participated, and they participate in different events. So this is all about the Deaflympics. Now come to the third competition, and this is the biggest competition for Divyang or for disabled people. That is called Paralympics. Paralympics as same as Olympic Games. After the Olympic Games, these games were held. After Olympic Games, these games were held after every 4 years, like Olympic Games. First, Olympic Games were organized, after that followed by the Paralympic Games after every 4 years. These games are for Divyang or disabled people, disability of any type, whether leg disability, short limbs, long limbs, eyes disability, blind, hand disability, or any type of disability. In this Paralympics, these people were participating. And like the Olympic Games, in these games also, the Divyang athlete were participating in different events, like in Olympic Games, like volleyball, handball, badminton, basketball, hockey, football, swimming, right, skiing. These are the events, sword fighting, boxing. These are the events in which all the Divyang athletes were participated in Paralympic Games. This is an international event. Paralympics is an international event. This Paralympic organized by International Olympic Committee IOC. IOC also organized the Olympic Games for general people who don't have any disability. Like Olympic Games, Paralympic Games are held for Divyang or disabled people after every 4 years by International Olympic Committee. Right? And in 2016 Paralympic Games, there were 22 events. In 2016 Summer Olympics, there were 22 events in which the disabled people were participated, like volleyball, badminton, football, athletics, swimming, right, handball. These are the games in which they were participated in Paralympic Games. And these games are the biggest games for Divyang people, for disabled people, like the Olympic Games. So this is all about the Paralympic Games. Now comes to the next topic, that is concept of inclusion. Concept of inclusion. INCLUSION. This is the last topic. Concept of inclusion means it is the act or state of being part of something larger. It is the act or state of being part of something larger. In simple word, every person, every individual, regardless caste, religion, race or disability, they all have the right to participate in social processes. Whether people are disabled, whether black color or white color, any religion, any caste, every person have the right to participate in social processes. Right? And all are equal. According to inclusion, that all are equal. There is no difference in the name of caste, in the name of disability, in the name of age, sex, religion. There is no difference. All are equal and all have the right to participate or include in social processes in the society. All have right. All have right to participate in the games and sports. All have right to participate in cultural events. All have right to participate in political events. So this is all about the inclusion. Inclusion says that there is no difference, and it is against a word that is called special. We sometimes call the Divyang the special people. Inclusion reject this. Inclusion reject this term special. All are equal. There is no difference. And all should give or have right to do anything in the society. So this is all about the inclusion. Thank you.